Hey, if you need anything regarding SystemeIO, just ask me in the comment or contact me. Now we are on the Facebook group SystemeIO. Let's start. What's happening? Bess Borcher asks, how do you set up a section with both an image and a bullet side by side, a bullet list side by side? I'll keep working on it and may figure it out before any answer, but thank you in advance. Yes, to set up a section with a bullet list and an image, you have to put a row with 2 columns, and then you put the image on the left and the bullet list on the right. You know, a row with 2 columns. Here, what you have done, you have put a section with a bullet list and a section with an image. So when you try on the video to put it up, then it's only the section which goes up. You know, you understand? They need to be in the same row. That's enough for this, and it works for everything the same. So Miguel Nakano ran a small 7-day test to an opt-in page I made under 20 minutes. This has potential. Okay, so there is no question here. Jamie Note played around with some new concepts while creating this social media template, integrating design. Here's a link to see it live. Okay, no question. Marco, do you feel to share your public website, pages, etc. built on System? I am new here and I hope to get inspired by what other creators have built. Okay, so you just want some idea to copy. There is a lot of templates that you can see, Marco. So you don't need. Dimitris Ariktakis, hi to all. I am new to SystemeIO and looking for some advice. I got an e-com website and I am looking to sell a specific product with a funnel. Please, anyone knows how can I send traffic to a funnel? I do have traffic and leads, but I don't know which is the right way to send traffic to a funnel. I mean, a funnel is just a link, a URL. It's a web page. So the same way you would send traffic to anywhere is the same for a funnel. There's nothing specific about it. Aurélien Lamaker, which is the boss of SystemeIO, says that you can now see the total sales and average sales per contact for each of your tags. Good. Nice. SystemeIO is evolving regularly, so that's good. But okay. Sesh, any example of product website on SIO, please? What did you do for carts? Okay, so it's some examples. There is no cart feature in SystemeIO, so it's not like Shopify. You can only sell, let's say, one product or several products, but there's no cart. So it's not a e-commerce site. You can do something, but it's not for e-commerce and things like this. Take other things, Shopify or WooCommerce, you know, things made for a catalog and people can choose from the catalog and make up their own cart. That's not SystemeIO. Not yet, maybe it will come to this. Farouk Hassan, anyone here selling their SIO template pack? Well, for sure, there must be some. Simsha, looking for a beginner funnel builder. Someone with great English who knows how to use SystemeIO, not looking for someone expensive. So me, I know how to use SystemeIO. My English is great, or more than great, but I'm not a beginner funnel builder, sorry. Sudeep Mondal, recently built this simple and clean look agency funnel on SystemeIO. So again, no question, no question. Cameron, what funnels are everyone working on currently and what challenges are you facing? That's a question, I mean, useless. What everyone, so I don't answer. Molly Mary Kaiser, who was creating an evergreen webinar with System. I really like to go through a complete one so I can get an understanding of how it works. Thanks. So maybe someone has evergreen webinar is just a video playing. So yes, you can set it up. When you start a new funnel, you get asked which type of funnels, and there is a webinar. So if you start with this, you will see the pages required for such a funnel. It's all done. It's very simple because it's not a live webinar. It's very simple to do. Kelly Durn Milot, hi all. I'm looking for a bit of reassurance on the payment side. I am considering replacing my current payment system with SystemeIO, but I have had my fingers burnt before with system not working as they should. So I would love to hear from those who have been using it for a while. What works well and what problems do I need to look out for? I'm not looking for problems, just trying to learn from others' experience. So the payment system SystemeIO is not a payment system, because you still need your Stripe account or PayPal account that you link to SystemeIO. So once you have done that, there is nothing different. You say you had your fingers burned before with systems not working as it should. I mean, SystemeIO is working, but the payment is handled by PayPal and Stripe. And then, yes, SystemeIO is connected to those. So if you have your account, you connect them, and then you can do everything. So I don't see what is the reinsurance you need on this side. So try it, but it's okay. It's working as long as you use Stripe or PayPal. And there are a few other payment methods depending on the country you want to sell to, but not a lot. Let's say Stripe and PayPal are the main ones. Aurelian Maker again saying the price can be beat. So it's just copying a testimonial that he's quite proud of. Fine. Now, what is this? A Reels video about him earning money. So okay, fine. Who cares? Paolo Enrique, hi everyone. My question is not about building funnels or blog pages. How are you promoting your funnels or for affiliate courses product? What tools do you use to generate traffic? Are you doing Facebook, IG ads, Google ads, YouTube ads? I already have a funnel to promote, but I don't know how I should do it. Help please. Okay, so you're asking how to get traffic or how to pay for traffic. I don't know what the answer is. He has already the ad networks. So you just need to pay and send the traffic to your funnel. I don't understand what is the question exactly. Arshit. Hi, as a funnel builder, I wanted to improve my design skills on this platform. It was confusing at first. Why? But after some trial and error, I was able to create a design that met my expectation. What do you think? You want my opinion? Okay, it's fine. It's okay. So, no question. Do we really need more? There are countless alternative platforms out there that let us create funnels. Major platforms are upgrading their software to be able to do more. However, I always question whether we really require more things. Keeping it simple, especially in marketing, is the best option to get from point A to point B without major distraction. So instead of always shading, not reading, but what I say is, if they put more features in a software for the same price, I'm all for it. You don't have to use those features, but it's good that they are here and your price stays the same. So why not wanting more? Yes, I want a lot more on SystemeIO. I want it to be able to do everything possible, but still stay at the same price. That's fine for me. Or even decrease the price if possible, but it's never happening. Yeah, so work on it, improve it, but keep my price the same. Thank you very much. Kathleen, question, do you need an autoresponder? I thought the emails were built in. I could be wrong. Yes, there is an email autoresponder in SystemeIO. So yes, the email autoresponder is built in. So you don't need it. Hi everyone, I would love to hear how you are running it in person events with limited seats and what do you use for ticket generation. I don't know about this. If you want to use system to sell a limited amount of things, I don't know, maybe it's possible. I'm not really interested in this. I have a question. With free plan, can I add my own domain? The answer is yes, you can. What else? Get free leads. So Kishore is talking about his funnel. Wow, okay. Again, Aurelian Maker. So as you see, there's a trend here. Nothing is happening really on the group. You can see we have been here for 10 minutes, and what have we learned? Nothing. So Aurelian, again, new updates. So it's a new update. Okay, fine. If they are useful, all I'm saying is that they should have been there years ago. If they are so useful, so it's good that they come here, but it would have been better that they come before. So late is better than never. So now, okay, fine. What do you want me to do more? If they are not useful, then why do them? Who cares? So I hope there are improvements, but make a whole list for the year, and so we can read. No need to read each little improvement, especially if they are long needed. Because there are other improvements. I can tell you, Aurelian, that you should have done years ago, and it's still not here. So I will not clap my hands just for because you change the font, the character font of something. So let's not talk about it. It's better and keep on improving. That's good. Paulo Torres. Is there a print-on-demand company that is compatible with SystemeIO? Or what do you guys use? Yes, I mean, print-on-demand companies, if they have an API, then they can connect. You know, they can be connected. So understand that really to extend SystemeIO, you will need automation software. So most people, they use Zapier, but Zapier is so expensive. Of course, number one, but it's so expensive. Me, I use Pebble Connect. And with Pebble Connect, you can connect SystemeIO to any other things. So, you know, for instance, I can connect SystemeIO to Google Sheets if I want. But there is no real integration between SystemeIO and Google Sheets. So it's the same with SystemeIO and other print-on-demand companies. They cannot be connected together because you must know that SystemeIO doesn't have an API. So Aurelian, if he announced that there is an API now for SystemeIO, I will say, oh, at last, because it's been 5 years and there's no API. But it's not what there's not one now. So with no API, what do you want people to do? Nothing. So it's not possible to connect SystemeIO to anything. But with the automation software, you can link them together. So I can make that everyone who enters my contact list in SystemeIO, they are added to my Google Sheets of contacts if I want. But I need to go through third-party software, automation software. I use Pebble Connect. You could use Make or Zapier. They all can do those kind of things. So this one again presenting is wonderful funnel builder skills. They are just looking for customers. Don't be fooled. They don't want community, they just want to show off. Again, one more. So it's all about that. And then very random questions sometimes. Surendra, what will be the best funnel strategy for new business? You know, random questions, very or what is everybody doing? Who cares? So I'm going to end soon. Let's try one more. Priyanka, if you have a free lead magnet and 2 upsells and your customer bought it all, do you send them 3 emails separately or 1 email with all the free product? I'm looking for some email templates, please. Okay. So if it's 2 upsells, you don't know. You don't know. So maybe you can do several emails depending on what they take. But you could send 3 emails, maybe 1 at each. Free lead magnet, okay, you get an email. One upsell is not 2 upsell, it's a 1 product bought and 1 upsell. I don't know exactly because you know you cannot trust people when they talk. Maybe it's not 2 upsells and it cannot be 2 upsells because if there is not 1 product, it cannot be free magnet and then an upsell. It's free. Okay, so after you need to sell something in order to be able to do an upsell. Yes, upsell is meant to be after the first buy, the first things you buy. So anyway, and after they ask how do you do, and then they ask email templates. Okay. You have already email template. So, okay, the last one here. Robin, just subscribe to the SystemeIO. So this is crap again. It's just a text that the SystemeIO team ask them to post when they migrate their business for free. You know, when you take an annual plan, you get the free migration. So they must tell you to post this on the group. So they do it with the code. So it looks very stupid, but it has been going on for a long time, more than a year. You see this, and some people. So Paulo is asking. So I will say because team asking them to do it and provide the text. So that's the end of this video. Now, if you want to contact me, you know how to do it. And I wish you a very nice day. Bye bye.